Welcome everybody, Eugene here, Hughes Motorized. I'm starting up a new little something or something here. Got the Facebook group going. If you're interested, go to my website, Hughes Motorized. I got the link there as well. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube video here. If you've got any questions about motorized bikes, you want my 2 cents on something here, if I can help you, join the group. I'll be glad to help you if I can. Of course, motorized bikes is the main part of what I'm doing here, but as well, I'm going to be branching out into other things, cool scooters, not necessarily like the Vespas and the like, but hey, you never know. But if it's a motorized toy, that's what I'm going to be playing with. So if you're interested, check out the Facebook page, link below. Hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.